what is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. So today we'll be installing some parts onto my 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer GT. So just today I spoke to my brother and I haven't seen his 2020 Mark V Supra in a while, and ever since he bought the car, unfortunately pretty much COVID happened and a lot of car shows and big car events have been cancelled. So 2021, I guess with the vaccine out, more car shows and events are starting to happen again. So we'll be hoping to hit up some shows around Texas, and there's a car event, Super Lap Battle, that'll be happening in Texas. They travel all around the US, and it's actually a time attack event. They have a car show as well as drifting going on. I've been there for 2020 as well as 2019, and my car has been in the car show. So like I said, my brother's Supra hasn't been in any car show, and I definitely hasn't shown this car since the last car show, Wakefest 2020. So it's been a year since I've been out at a car show. Plus my car has been down because of, you know, getting the whole car built for the turbo stuff. But yeah, I will be slapping on some parts. If you guys have been watching my videos, you will know that I have been collecting some car parts of the Voltex wing that I have yet to put on. I also have more car parts here. We just switched out the ARC intake box the other day off camera. So this ARC intake box I have over here works, but is not in the best condition. So recently I picked up a new ARC box, so pretty much the exact same thing. I also replaced this ARC intake filter, so it looks brand new. The other one was pretty beat up. So pretty easy, I just had to take out the whole box and put it on. I just did that off camera. And then we also have some other parts I want to slap on. We also have the ARC intake, ARC blow-off valve that I'll be switching out. I'm not sure if I want to do it just yet. I might leave it on first. Let's see what else. The whole purpose of this video today is I'll be putting on another exterior part. So right here I have the carbon fiber canards. The various carbon fiber canards actually has two of them. I'm only rocking one, but we have some new canards that I got custom made, and I actually waited about 6 months for these. These are the Wheeler Motorsports Carbon Fiber canards. This fits with the various V2 front bumper. So I'll be taking off the various canards and slapping these on. They look so much more aggressive, so much bigger. So yeah, let me show you guys again. So this is the front end. Excuse the wire over there. I just have my battery tender charged just so my battery wouldn't die on me since I don't drive this car that much. But here's another look. The various carbon fiber canards. Some people like the canards look, some people don't. I think it makes it look more aggressive. But yeah, let's go ahead and take it off and slap on the new one. So here's another look. So sub canards and Wheeler Motorsports canards. As you can tell, so much more aggressive, so much bigger. It actually wraps around the side as well as the front end of the car as well. Alright, so now that I have my canard off, I'm just gonna use some quick detailer, spray it down, make sure I get my surface nice and clean, and then we'll do a little bit of test fitting as well on the new canard. So right now I have it kind of mocked up, just sitting on some painter's tape to show you guys how it looks. It's kind of dangling a little bit. It's gonna sit a little bit higher, but yeah, here's a comparison. That's the old canards. And this is the new one from Wheeler Motorsports. See how it comes to the front end a little bit more. Way bigger in size too. Thing definitely makes it look so much more aggressive. Yeah, it'll be sitting somewhat like this. Alright, so I pretty much have it right here. I haven't really fixed it tight yet, but I just wanted to show you guys this is how it's gonna look. And then on the other side, the small canards that's coming off. And like I said, see how this one comes all the way to the front as well, super aggressive. Again, this is meant for the Veris V2 front bumper. It follows the lines of the bumper. I'm not sure if you could try to fit it on the OEM bumper. And it has the Wheel of Motorsports sticker here. I'm not sure, I might take that off. But yeah, I haven't actually fixed it, so it's still kind of wobbly. But yeah, I'm gonna attach my screws, make sure it's nice and tight and doesn't come off. And whenever you attach canards, you also have to drill holes into your front bumper to attach it. So since I already had the other canard on, I don't really have to drill as many holes. I'm trying to reuse some holes if I can. I'll be able to reuse one hole, but I have to drill a new one. So you just need to get your drill bits, your drill, and get to drilling. So I'm just gonna attach it first, and then besides these small little bolts that I used last time, pretty much I'm using self-tappers. So I'm gonna use this one a little bit longer. It also has this little rubber grommet right here, so hopefully holds it on tighter. So I'm all done with one side. What do you guys think? It's pretty sturdy on there, shouldn't come off. And like I said, I had to drill an extra hole. It's always a little scary whenever you drill holes into your front bumper, because for the most part it's not so reversible. You can always bring it to a body shop and get it patched up if you don't want the holes in the future. But yeah, let me go ahead and knock out the other side real quick off camera and see how she looks.
A few moments later.
So I have the passenger side canard all done too. Looks so aggressive, and like I said, full carbon fiber. Definitely not cheap. I think I paid close to almost $500 for it, and it took 6 months to get here, but I think it definitely looks more aggressive. And you guys already know we'll be having our big wing setup on the car. We already do have a big wing currently, but that is gonna be gone pretty soon because I just sold it. We'll be slapping on the Voltex Type 4 carbon fiber wing, which is 1800 millimeters, so even wider. So that should look really aggressive with the canards as well. I know some of you guys might be like, these are ricer mods, but canards and big wings do provide aerodynamics. Again, I'm not sure if these actually do. I'm just putting it for the cosmetic standpoint. They look great, they look good. I love my carbon fiber parts, but I know a lot of time attack track cars actually do have canards and big wings as well to help with downforce. But yeah, I was just debating whether taking off this Wheeler's Motorsports sticker. I might do that just because I don't really have anything white. Whole car's all blacked out pretty much, and I think the sticker stands out a little bit too much. So let me take that off and see how it looks. And bam, just took off the Wheeler Motorsports sticker. Super easy, just came right off. And I went ahead and sprayed down with some instant detailer to look clean. What do you guys think? I think it looks so much cleaner without the sticker. Looks so aggressive. Let me try to get a front end shot for you guys to see. Ooh, she looks so good, so aggressive. So it's kind of hard to picture too because my hood is open, but that's because I'm charging my battery, like I said. But yeah, pretty excited. I'm pretty sure, like I said, once we have the hood closed, it looks so good and so aggressive from the front end. I think this car all around is just so mean. Whether it's the front end, the sides, the back, every part of the car, just pay a lot of attention to detail. We will be having some interior mods coming really soon. So to give you guys a rough idea, on the outside of the car we just put on the canards, and then we also will be replacing the wing And I think that's about it for the exterior of the car for now. And then for the engine bay, we also still have the ARC blow-off valve. So like I said, currently we have the HKS blow-off valve recirculated. We do have the ARC one here. Let me show you guys real quick. ARC blow-off valve that is rare and took me a while to source. It says ARC right here. So that's for the engine bay. And then for the interior, we have the Works Bell short hub. They'll be replacing my NRG hub. And then let me see what else. Oh, I'm also trying to buy a Works Bell tilt hub. So currently I have the quick release, but I want to have it fixed with the tilt hub because I want to put my Voltex steering wheel. And I could do the quick release setup too, but I just wanted something a little different with the tilt hub. Because I have the Voltex wing, I want to have the Voltex matching steering wheel, but because the Voltex steering wheel is so rare, when I go to shows and stuff, I just don't want to risk like somebody just coming to my car and just taking my steering wheel off and stealing it. So yeah, I'll do the tilt hub. My quick release steering wheels, I can always have it. I was contemplating on switching out my Civic Si to a quick release setup. We'll see, maybe in the future. And with the carbon fiber Voltex wing, we have all new hardware, titanium hardware for the bolts and nuts from Chasing J's. Same with the Voltex steering wheel. We also have titanium hardware from Chasing J's as well. So super awesome. Whenever we put those on, I'm super stoked to show you guys. But the interior, let's see what else. Oh, so I recently put on the various carbon fiber shift knob and the Broadway wide angle mirror. I also recently purchased a Colt Speed shifter, so it sits pretty low. I previously had the Katana sword. I'm used to shifting kind of higher, so you guys will see when I get it from Colt Speed, another JDM part. And like I said, I currently have the NRG short hub and quick release. So if any of you guys want to go quick release setup, just kind of like I have, you can hit me up on my Instagram DMs. I'm looking to sell the NRG short hub and the quick release from NRG. If you guys want a package deal, I can even sell this Vertex steering wheel. So the steering wheel plus the short hub plus the quick release, or if you just want to buy your own steering wheel, that's fine too. You can just buy the short hub from me. This short hub specifically is for any Lancer or Evo 10s. I believe 2008 all the way to 2017. Any years, any make and model, Lancer or Evo. So yeah, let me know if you guys are interested to buy it. So I'm just gonna conclude the vlog here. In the next few videos, like I say, I'll be slapping on parts just because we'll be having a car show that's coming up in 2 weeks. And I wasn't really thinking of going to Super Late Battle, but I haven't been to any car event in a year. And my brother wants to show his Supra. So yeah, I might as well show my car at the show with my brother's Supra. Both brothers rolling into the show together, parking together. That should be pretty awesome and a fun time. So make sure to stay tuned for Super Late Battle footage coming up. Again, if you guys stay to the end, look for you to leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one.